I found my apprenticeship through the college and then applied through Indeed and then went through 2 rounds of interviews and an aptitude test. I was eventually offered the job. Some days you come in and we'll be busy on the production line, machine maintenance and making sure everything's running as best as we can, and then some days it could be service work, others might be in the workshop making parts and stuff, but yeah, every day is different and they all come with their own challenges. So some skills I've learned during the apprenticeships particularly have been fault finding, sort of assessing a problem and getting to the bottom of it. I've learnt a lot of practical skills as well in the workshop, such as welding and fabricating and what have you. Yeah, I definitely recommend apprenticeships to anyone who's sort of umming and ahhing about what to do in the next stage. You know, you learn on the job, and you gain all these skills, you get expert advice from people that have been in the industry for 20, 30 years. And I think I chose engineering because it's just so practical, always hands-on and new stuff to do every day. I would describe my apprenticeship experience as been very diverse and been a challenge but been enjoyable throughout.